Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in, so start by opening the Google product that holds the photo, Photos for uploads or Maps for business/profile images. You'll see your current images, tap the one you want to change. Once done, choose the Edit or More menu, 3 dots, to reveal upload or replace options. Make sure sync is enabled in settings so changes propagate. This first action gets you into the right place quickly and guarantees Google can save and distribute the new image. Now replace the image. Tap Replace or Add Photo and pick Source, Device, Camera, or Drive. You'll be prompted to grant permissions. Accept them so Google can access the file. Once selected, crop and rotate to match Google's display ratio. This ensures important content isn't cut off. If uploading for business profile, write a brief descriptive caption or choose category tags. After adjustments, confirm upload or save. This step actualizes the new asset and starts the sync to finish by waiting for the upload confirmation, and then refresh the page or reopen the app to verify the new photo appears. If it doesn't show, make sure you're in the correct account and that profile permissions allow photo changes. Clear app cache or sign out and back in to force a refresh. If upload repeatedly fails, reduce file size or use JPEG under 5 MB and try again. Smaller files avoid timeouts and often solve the most common upload errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.